So I just thought of sharing few tools. So let me see if that works on my Gmail. I think it pretty much works, but let's wait for another 2 minutes. There are a few more people joining. Okay. So yeah, I think we are almost done with all the manual stuff, what we had in the content. And now we are going to cover a few of the tools that has been long waiting for now. Today I'll cover just the basic tools and some advanced tools we can cover in next weekend. Just one weekend should be more than enough. AI tool and extension to work on a Google Sheet. So we everyone use Google Sheets. So let's see, I just go here to my Google Sheets. So once I come to Google Sheets, I'll just come over here. So we have a tools and extensions. Um, One place we have a tools that is Chrome Web Store. Second place we have a tools that is Gmail Web Store. Third place we have a tools that is Microsoft Web Store and Microsoft Store. Then Chrome Store as well, Gmail Store. That is something which we explored in our previous session. And now, once you go to the docs or once you go to the sheets like this, okay, even in the sheets, there are a couple of tools, okay, where we need to enable those tools. We just need to click on extensions, add-on, get add-ons. Okay, once you come to add-on, get add-ons, Google Workplace Marketplace, then you have various tools here, GPT for Google Sheet and Docs, GPT for Workplace, Mail Merge, Publico, notification for Sheets, which works with email, Discord, or all those stuff. I think still people are joining. Let's give some time, team. Let me just stop recording. Let's give 2 more minutes and we'll start.
Yeah,
Okay. Like if we go to again, Sheet Go automate again, Sheet Go connects, transfer, filter, splits, merge Google Sheets, Excel, CSS integrates with them, Google Docs, Gmail for easy automation, data movement, all those stuff. I'll see later what exactly is this. But if you see here, once you go to the extensions, add-ons, get add-ons, you have a number of add-ons here as well. Again, check sheet notification, simple text, SMS text. I don't know what exactly is that. The number of actually millions of stuff is there. Okay, Google Seek for Sheets, Goal Seek. Okay, as Chat GPT is taking like anything, so that's where we just see this one. Sheet GPT we just added. Okay, link repair will scan your current Google files to your drive and update any links. Connect anything. Okay. So let's see. Now I just downloaded one add-on called GPT for docs and sheets. Then chart graph visualization by Chart Expo, API connector. There are various things. These ones I've already downloaded earlier. Sheet GPT, AI Chat GPT for sheets, Tomba, Recruiter, LinkedIn candidates, numerous. A lot of things are paid, a lot of things are free also. So let me just see what exactly Sheets will do. Okay, GPT for doc, sheets, and slides. This thing we have just downloaded. Earlier, I had GPT for sheets and docs. Also, Sheet GPT also I had earlier. So let's see. We'll just go here and we'll click on start. We'll just understand what are the commands, how are the commands working in Sheet GPT for docs and slides. list of formulas. Okay, GPT underscore list and a prompt. So it's like the GPT underscore list, that is prompt. Okay. So this is a list prompt, GPT list. So GPT, write a number in this plain text or anything. Okay. GPT, write a tagline for and AI. So we're just understanding the syntax of it, of this particular extension. Generate table, GPT underscore table, and then the prompt. Top 10 most eaten foods and nutrition data. You say translate cell underscore translate French and A1, anything like that. So let's say one of my favorite is always a list. So GPT underscore list and a prompt. So I'll just go here equal to GPT. So just see here GPT tag, GPT edit, fill list, fetch list, match, split. Based on this extension, all these things are coming. So I'll just go to GPT list. And any prompt that you should give, generally where we miss is basically to get the list of startup. Okay, we just do this and we do this. It doesn't work like that. So we have to give the prompt correctly. So how is the prompt? I just take back equal to GPT, then the list, and then double quotations. That's where it starts changing to green. You can see, name the list of trips in Bangalore. And then again, double quotation closed, and then close. Unknown function GPT list. Let's see if we get it. Okay. Your OpenAI API free trial is expired or inactive. Please set up a paid account on OpenAI dashboard platform that OpenAI and all everything. So it's asking to upgrade it to paid account. So upgrade now. I would not really upgrade. I'll just go to tools, rather extensions, GPT for docs. Let me start with this one only. The share. Just take this one. There, the view has gone actually. So again, I just go to extension, add on. So this is completely new. Add-ons, GPT. So I have various GPT for sheets, GPT for workspace, GPT writer. This is just for docs and sheet. AI code for docs, slides, and sheet. Okay. So let's see. One by one, we'll test it, which one is working fine, and then accordingly we'll move. Now come to extension. So here I have GPT. So I think this is the same thing which was asking to upgrade. So let me remove this. Uninstall that. Okay. Okay, I just go extensions, add on, get add on.
Shiv, what if the errors is please set open AI API key in extension menu?
Don't ignore. Just that is asking you to pay the price. Just uninstall it.
Okay.
Go only for the free versions. So GPT file drop, AI sheet, GPT workplace, GPT for sheet and docs, Telarian. So this is also asking for create one OpenAI dashboard. This is asking for API. You can do that, but I would not let you get into that now for, let's see some more add-ons. Sheet. Okay, GPT
Because
for sheet.
Shiv, there are many APIs which are available and they are open source basically. So we need to find it out.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
that
they are available.
yeah. So that's a long game altogether. So let's cut it short.
No,
Yeah,
no, we
got
can
it.
go there. We can go there, but I'm just trying to see the easiest way.
Okay, okay, yeah, sure.
So what exactly this open API mean here in this context?
GPT for sheet. OpenAI credits are there. In a backend, there would be a chat GPT. From there, you need to take a credits. But again, those are limited credits, which you get
Okay.
it. After that, it will ask you to upgrade. So I generally don't go with that. Sheet AI, Sheet GPT, Sheet. GPT for sheets.
Shiv, at one point of time, these all were mostly are free, but now looking at this pace, so they have commercialized most of these free marketplace too.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take this one. SheetGPT. So let's give a refresh.
Where do you see the installed in, spreadsheet? Already
You need
installed?
to, you need to click on this one, extensions. SheetGPT, enable SheetGPT. Okay. So yeah, this is enable SheetGPT. GPT. Okay. Now I'll just go GPT. Okay, so GPT list, GPT underscore list, that thing, this thing, and all was not really working. So I just go here and then import data. It's asking me for the APIs and all. Name from Google Sheet. I'll say help. Okay, I'll just keep it for now. Let me see which GPT is this. Okay, let's keep this two for now. Okay. So now extension, I just went here. And the second one, we have enabled Sheet GPT. Once I enable Sheet GPT, so it is giving me how exactly I'm going to give a prompts, how exactly I'm going to use this way. So I just say equal to GPT. So here I get GPT list, use OpenAI GPT language model to return the list of repositories. Okay, so prompt model temperature, GPT list, I'll say double quotations, name the list of startups, name the list of 20 startups in Bangalore. Okay, name the list of 20 startups in Bangalore. So GPT list, that was a command. As soon as we enable that, this part, as soon as we enable the Sheet GPT, as soon as we enable, then this has got enabled. So now name the list of 20 startups in Bangalore. So it gave me startup one, startup two, startup three, like that, but it did not give the list proper. List the name of, let me just change this command. List the name of 20 startups in India. Okay. So it gave me the list of 20 startups in India. So you have to go slow. Don't go too fast or too aggressive. Otherwise, the processing might take time. And then it might say that it might give me some error. So again, I have a list of 30 startups. All right. So I'll just take a pause. Any doubts here? What we have done, we have just gone to the extensions, clicked on add-ons, and we have seen the add-ons which could be used for free without using the APIs or anything like that. So this was an add-on. It was directly saying enable Sheet GPT without getting into the APIs, but otherwise it also has a APIs. Let's say update license, trial plan, credit used, 645 credit limit. I have a decent enough of credit limit. 1,50,000 of this thing. I can give once I enter, all this is a count. Credit use 645. Okay, all this within 2 minutes we have used 645 words, characters over there. So like that, I have a characters of up to 1,50,000 characters. So renewal date again, it's giving 23rd November. Some time and all everything. You can purchase a plate plan with a higher usage limit and additional features. So here I have a pricing. This is one of the free actually, but otherwise if I have to see the pricing over here, here I can see the pricing too. Okay, 29 rupees per month, about 3.5 million words for GPT 3.5 inputs and outputs, or 200 images per month, limited to a single user. So that's quite expensive. Again, this. Rather, I'll go for a chat GPT, which is the cheapest one. I'll understand all those commands and I'll use that. Instead, I'll pay $20 to directly to the chat GPT, which is again a cheapest one, and I'll directly use that. Even these tools are backed by chat GPT. It's not that they have their own GPT stuff. They're backed by chat GPT. They are still taking a data from chat GPT on a top level. They're just putting a cream with their UI and their everything. But in a backend, it's a chat GPT which is integrated and they're charging it. Rather, I'll just directly take it from the chat GPT itself. So if I have to give you the example, let's say the time we didn't had a Google Maps. Okay, we had no applications which could show you home delivery apps. Okay, as soon as the Google Maps came into the picture, as soon as it picked up, over the night we got number of applications over the night which started giving a delivery, food delivery or grocery delivery, any delivery, parcel, this thing, that thing, and all. Everything is backed by maps or any other maps, either Google Maps or Map My India or any other maps company. Similarly, whichever the tool is coming over the night, that is again backed by either a Sheet GPT, sorry, either a Chat GPT or a bot. On the top of the application, they are just showing up the application, they have built their UI, their application and everything. But in a backend, they are taking the help of the APIs of a Chat GPT. So that's simple. So now don't get into the technical part of that. How do you use these extensions? Basically, just go to tools, go to extensions, get add-ons. Once you go to the add-ons, you'll be able to see by default number of extensions. But otherwise, for sheets, I've just used Sheet GPT. So I got a Sheet GPT and I've downloaded that. When I go to extension, then Sheet GPT, enable Sheet GPT. As soon as I enabled it, I just give a small prompt. Here, I just looked at how exactly the prompt for this thing look like. Equal to GPT list. Open the bracket and list the name of 30 startups in India. Okay, again, GPT. Again, I see GPT list the name of. So if you see, it's not coming now. List the name of 10 fruits. Close the bracket and error because the prompt has not gone correctly. I need to understand how is the prompt has to be given. Equal to GPT list. Okay, so prompt has to be given in a double quotes. Okay, so it has listed the name of 10 fruits. All right, I'll just take a pause. Any doubts, any confusion in this? How we got the list of these 30 startups?
Steve, can you please repeat it one more time? And I just need to check which add-on you have added to this sheet. Extensions, yeah, yeah,
That
okay.
is Sheet GPT. Sheet GPT,
Sheet
AI
GPT.
and Chat GPT for Sheets. Yes.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So I'll just go for another this thing.
Hmm.
I'll open it. Then let's see how is the other extension working. I just go here. GPT for docs. This one. Open. Import data on Google Sheet. Mail merge from Google Sheet. Set API key. Enable GPT functions. Let's enable GPT function. Okay, so it is open GPT for Sheets and Docs. So enter OpenAI key. So I can create one here. I'll have to log in. I can log in with Google. I already have OpenAI keys, but I'm not using now. Okay, 0323. It's asking me phone number, so rather I'll not use it because the free version might go, which I got it.
So Shiv, how
Or
you
else
manage
I'll
to
just.
get this
Hmm?
open API key? How you
I got
manage
it
to?
from Microsoft.
Oh, okay.
So SheetGPT AI, SheetGPT OpenAI, GPT for sheets and docs. Let me just go there. Okay, here it is not there. I'll add here. I think this was this one. Right. So yeah, this is done. Pricing free of charge for now. Excellent. I just see that because I think based on it is great.
Shiv, a
Okay,
message
you
has
currently do
come.
not have any API key. Create a new secret key. What?
A message is popping up. Meeting summary with AI companion is on. So we need to click on got it.
No, I just clicked on stop.
Oh, it
So
is the
let's
message.
say GPT. Create a secret key. Copy and just come here. Enter your OpenAI key and next. You need to have. You need to sign up on your OpenAI. You need to sign up on your GPT, uh, chat, chat GPT. Then you'll be able to see that option. Okay, so my key is successful, and then next, and then say I understand. Okay, your API key is not working. Your enter a payment method, OpenAI billing, ChatGPT Plus does not cover API. It can take up to 30 minutes. So I think this is also asking for money, but let me see. GPT math, GPT format, GPT classify, extract, GPT translate, GPT, all that. Let's see. Equal to GPT, GPT list, list the name of 10 fruits. Error. So yeah, OpenAI free. No, this is asking for money. So I would say no, I would not go with that. I'll just uninstall it. Tick, 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 tick. The sidebar is free, but not the extension. We will show and I'll say uninstall. uninstall. So rather, the one which is there, which is giving me free, I'll use just that one. This one, which is for free extensions. So this is again asking for money. SheetGPT, AI chat GPT for sheets. That you can take it. This I'll open. Just go to help. We will store and uninstall. Earlier it was free couple of months ago, but as Piyush rightly mentioned, there are a lot of tools which has come and they started charging us like anything. So I'll have one refresh. So yeah,
Because
only
Shiv,
this one
yeah,
is there. So now
their
I got
strategy
the
is
list. Yeah, Piyush.
so their strategy is they wanted you to make to use to of it, and then they will start charging from you. So,
Exactly, yeah.
yeah. So I have used
Okay,
it couple of times, and it really works very well. But now all the
absolutely.
tools, yeah, yeah,
But
correct.
again, it's charged.
Yes,
Rather, I'll
yes.
go for Chat GPT only. I'll just pay $20 rather over there.
So, Shiv, paying $20 there, we will be able to help any kind of run of this Google Sheets or something by that piece, or like how it is. I haven't tried yet. So, what do you
I've
think?
also not tried, but I'm sure that once I get upgraded version, it will give me
Hmm.
the sheets. It's gonna do a lot of jobs for me for sure.
Oh, so
Yeah.
okay,
Okay.
got it.
So
Hmm.
otherwise, here in this thing, if you see extensions, we have gone and we just
Hmm.
search for Sheet GPT, AI and Chat GPT for sheets, and then we launched it. And as soon as we launched it, we started getting the prompt equal to, if I say GPT list, GPT image. So I can generate the image generation. Let's see, generate image for Apple. But again, I would not be wasting my credits. So image delivery, where it is. So yeah, there's Apple came in. Okay. So again, GPT. So GPT list, GPT image, just normal GPT. Okay. Prompt, I'll say, mm, get the list. It's done. Get the list of 5 software engineers from Flipkart. Get the list of LinkedIn profile. Get the list of LinkedIn profile. Let's see if this works. In one column, it might not be able to give, but I can't. Sorry, but I can't assist with that specific request. Okay. So
Shiv, I
when
think
did
there. Yeah, sorry to interrupt you, Shiv. I
Mhm.
think there possibility with Bard because
It's there.
Chat GPT.
I've done that. I pinged you right in a group.
Yeah. I just did that, and it is showing the results. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. In Bard it is there. I was about to come there. We'll come there slowly.
Okay.
Flipkart is an Indian e-commerce company. Was founded in October 5, 2007 by Sachin Bansal and Billy Bansal.
Shiv, can you click on Ola column? I want to see the format of what you've written in that.
Okay, GPT, and then like this.
Okay,
So let's say
thank you.
similarly,
ChatGPT doesn't pull up individual LinkedIn profiles.
Bard pulls up. paid ones also pulls up. Okay, GPT A3, when did the company found? The model when does not exist. Okay, when it is. Paytm was founded in August 2010 by Vijay Shekhar. So all this is a normal prompt actually. All right, but my favorite prompt in the Sheet GPT is basically getting a list of these particular companies. Now I'll again come to tools. So I'll go for again add-on and I'll say LinkedIn. I'll say LinkedIn Profile Explorer.
Shiv, what is the difference between admin install and individual install?
Admin, I'm logging in from company account, right? So in
Okay.
Sourcing Express, I do the admin install so that for everyone it gets installed.
Hmm.
For this one here, I barely have two logins, so I'm not started activated yet actively. I'm just still in the process of building a website. Once that is done, then maybe I'll do that.
Sure.
Okay. So LinkedIn Profile Explorer, got it. So again, I come to tool extension, LinkedIn Profile Explorer. It's showing here. Google Store. Get profile, company name, comma, job title. I need to activate that Profile Explorer configuration. Some random search engine I'll create. Will not do anything. Same CSC creation. So is the entire web. Let's see. Start.linkedin.com/in SheetGPT and search specific sites or pages. That is this one. And then I'm not a robot. Add it and then create. Once I click create, I'll take this search engine ID. Come here, put search engine ID over here, and then get API key from here. I'll just go and say get key. So this is I'm doing completely from the new account for the completely first time. So that if you're also first time user, you know the step by step. In other accounts, it pretty much activated. It's pretty much working fantastically fine. But I just wanted to use a completely new account so that you can create it by your own. Okay. So your API key that's got ready. And I just come here, enter the API key. List of result, I'll say at least 5 and save. All right. So you can come here, get profile, company name, column, job title, close the bracket, enter. So yeah, here I have a list of all the stuff. So now what I'll do, I'll just come here. I'll remove this all stuff. So first extension, I'll go for, I'll have one refresh. Extension, SheetGPT, enable SheetGPT. Got it. Equal to GPT list. What's the name of? So GPT list, open the bracket in double quotations. List the name of 30 startups in India. And then double quotations closed, enter, give. Okay. Here I'll just give SDET or DevOps. Okay, SDET DevOps, SDET DevOps. Again, I just come here, go to extension. So LinkedIn Profile Explorer, configuration. So already it is configured. I'll say save. Come here, equal to get profile, company name, comma, SDET. And similar with this thing. So yeah. So absolutely for free of cost. So they would have been SDET in the previous or current company. I'm doing it completely a new account. I've not synced yet my LinkedIn to this, but if you see SDET at Big Basket. And morning, I think we have changed the in morning batch we have changed it for some other language. So that's
Language.
reason it is showing up.
Hmm.
Zomato. So they would have worked currently or previously at Zomato. So this is SDET, Zepto, Zepto, Zomato, Byju's, Byju's, Principal DevOps Engineer. So I think if I enable this option, always translate to this particular language, then I think we have an option of it coming in another language, and then we can download in that language and send it. So I'll keep it enabled for some time just to see if there is a workaround that I'll keep any location I'm working. I'll just by default, I'll keep this thing translate, always translate to Polish so that once it is open in Polish, I'll keep it in the Polish itself. So do I have option to download? I might have option to download, but yeah, I could see that option. So yeah, here in less than 5 minutes, we got how many? 150 profiles. Is that cool? Practo, DevOps lead, Encora, previously might be a Practo. Yeah, good one. So we
Shiv,
use
can
SheetGPT to create the list of name of 30 startups. Then we just gave a name, and then we had one more extension called get profile, and then we use that extension, enable that extension, LinkedIn Profile Explorer, configure it, and as soon as we configure, we used their prompts also, get profile, company name, and then title, and then close the bracket, and that's it. So we have similarly one more prompt extension like that. Get add-on. This is a copy paste of something else. This is installed. Get any data, 2 minutes. LinkedIn email finder, LinkedIn prospect. This is paid one, Pro, LinkedIn lead finder. I think this is a free one, decent enough. Even like some 1,50,000 or 15 lakh something it gave us free credits. So I'll stick to that.
Shiv, can
Okay.
we just have a quick revision on this, on the steps basically?
Yeah. So I'll just go to
And
Google Sheets
Yeah, yeah.
and you're saying something. Who was that? Niti?
yeah, Shiv, you have created Google CSC. What was the use of that? I missed it.
Okay. You'll see now again once again. So I'll just go
Okay.
to Google Sheet. Then I'll click on this one. Then I'll go to extensions. So it's already installed now, LinkedIn Profile Explorer and SheetGPT. Then I'll say enable SheetGPT. Always, every new sheet we open, we need to enable SheetGPT. So we just enable. So as soon as we enable, we'll be able to see equal to GPT. Sorry, GPT. So it's not yet enabled. Again equal to, now it is enabled. Again equal to GPT. GPT. It's not enabled. Okay. Now let's see. Equal to GPT. Okay. So GPT list, GPT image, GPT, only GPT, a normal prompt. I'll say rather GPT list. Okay. Then double quotations. That's how we give the prompt. Only writing a word won't work. We have to give a double quotations for the prompt. List, the name of 30 startups in India. And close. Okay. So SheetGPT did its job. It gave me the list of 30 startups. Then I just mentioned SDK, SDEC, DevOps, SDEC, DevOps, or let's say anything else other than SDEC, DevOps, not normal front end, full stack, or back end, something else, not software engineer. That is part of a software family. Sorry.
Business object,
Huh?
business objects report developer.
MTS.
So let's see. I just take all this. Site reliability engineer. Okay. This I'll just delete it. It is unnecessary. All right, so this two is done. Then again, I just go to extension, LinkedIn Profile Explorer. I'll say configuration. So this is the previous one. Let's say I want to generate a new ID again. So I'll say generate a new search
Shiv,
engine.
uh,
Huh.
first, after configuration, you gave that number. From where you got that? Shiv?
Okay, again I'll come here. Focus.
Yeah, this.
Okay, I'll go slow.
Yeah,
Focus. So extension.
yeah.
I'll go LinkedIn Profile Explorer configuration. After clicking on configuration, maybe Neti, you asked me, what's the use of creating that search engine? I'm creating a search engine once again and giving a
Yeah.
path over there from which links I need a profiles. Add SheetGPT2. That's the reason I was telling understanding the creation of search engine is equally crucial because in future you would know the importance of it. This is where the real importance of it. Whatever the search engines you have, you can give those search engines also. So this is completely a new account. I'm creating a new ones. So now again here, I'll say star.linkedin.com/in. Add it. And then I'll say, I'm not a robot. And create. After creating this, I'll close. I'll just take this search engine ID. This is a search engine ID, CX equal to, you can take it from here, or you can take it after equal to whatever is there in the URL, last part, you can just take that part. I'll come here, get your API key from here. I'll just click here, scroll down, get a key. Then select a project, create a new project, SheetGPT2. Next. Don't get into technical. What are the steps I'm following? Just follow steps as it is. So, okay. This is a key for this CSC. Copy. I'll come here. I'll remove this key. Okay. So max 10 it is saying in a free version, but I'll just keep it 5 because my credits will get exhausted. So I'll say save. All right. So now that got enabled. Equal to get profile returns LinkedIn profiles. Okay. Company name, comma, restrict, close the bracket, enter. And then I just go here, take this, drag. So I get in less than 5 minutes, I got around 150 leads who are, let's say, daily hunt, interior designer, silver design. This is kind of false positive because again, a new account, senior DevOps, IXCO, senior DevOps, absolutely. Rapido SDET.
So if we create our Google CSC and we refine that with refinements and all that, and that we give that API, it will give more
More refined
accurate
stuff,
results.
more refined stuff. So yeah, that's about SheetGPT, how you actually use it, and in combination of um, get profile. Now let's say you have this all these leads. What you do? Let's say I'll just take this lead, copy. Either I'll just go and use sales SQL, or I'll just go here. We had get prospect. Back to dashboard. Search Microsoft department seniority list. Enrich. Find data by LinkedIn URL. I'll just search this. Find lead. Deepika KS, and it is giving me the personal email ID. Personal, no, official email ID. Either I'll go for official email ID or I'll go for a sales skill to identify their personal email IDs. So I got the list from there. I can import the entire list over here and I can enrich. But I would not do that. Again, the credits are limited in a free version. I would rather use it for some lead generations, reaching out for some clients or anything. So this is Get Prospect. We already shared in the group about this tool, but we'll just cover a bit in more details now. What 3, 4 tools are? We'll cover a few basic tools today, and in the next session, we go for a little advanced automation. Let me just because it directly came from there. So I'm on that browser. LinkedIn might trigger a robo activity because I'm doing it from the multiple accounts, but let me just take this part. Copy paste, I don't think it will work because the formulas are there behind, but let's see. No, it's not working. All error, error, error. So I'll just delete this. I'll delete this as well. I'll say go here and then enable SheetGPT. Okay. Equal to GPT list. Close it. And now again go to extensions, then LinkedIn Profile Explorer. That's configuration. So I'll just keep it 5. By default, it is already there, which I created earlier. Equal to get.
So Shiv, this side, Flipkart 5 SDET results are here in this line, right?
Ah,
Okay. Can we
so I'll just go. I'm not dragging it because again, inventories.
right? So can we just transpose this data? I mean, so that it should remain company wise or something like that. So is it possible to transpose
You
this?
can. You can.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
First, you need to decode it,
Yeah.
copy it, and paste it in the Word document. Then again, come here and paste it. First, you need to decode. There's a formula behind it. First,
Yeah.
you need to
Yeah.
copy
That's
it.
what I need to know. Yeah. Yeah. Got it.
First,
Got
you
it.
need to copy, put into the Word. Then again, copy from the Word. Again, put it over here.
All right.
But when I have downloaded this LinkedIn Explorer, it's not going ahead. It is only showing help. It's not giving the configuration command.
For the first time, it won't give. For me also, it did not give. So let's say this one, you need to copy and then paste it.
Hmm.
Copy. Paste special.
Hmm.
Transport.
Yes, yes. That's what I need to know. Whether it's get its
So
value
there
to
is
zero or like how it is. There is an error now, Shiv.
there's still a formula here behind. We
Yeah,
need to
yeah.
decode that. We need to remove that formula. I'll take like this instead. Still, there's a formula going behind.
Hmm.
I need to let me.
Will not
Maybe
go.
the last column you didn't copy. You left one column in the end.
This.
Hello, Shiv, we have to put them as values, not as formulas when we
Special
transpose
val.
them.
So let's take this. Yeah, what do I need to do?
We have
Paste
to
special
make special
values
Values.
as
only.
Values.
values,
Yeah, yeah.
and
Okay.
then we can transpose them.
Ah,
So it already got transposed, no?
correct. Yeah.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
already got transposed. Yeah.
Okay.
Here there was a formula existing, so it did not take. All right. So we just need to decode this part. Here, this companies also we need to decode if we need to give in the list. So that's how we can get it. All right. Any doubts? Any confusion? We're good.
Yeah,
As
Shiv.
of now, we are good. I think we have to do it ourselves, then it will be more.
Yeah. Just go through the recording and do it once more.
Sure.
All right. So that's about a SheetGPT along with get profile. Now, similarly, you just get this profile link and you come to get prospect. It is still showing bad. I don't know why.
So, Shiv, what
Morning it
will be
was
the
working out fine. You can upload these leads over here and you can see like all these leads I've uploaded and then it started giving me their official email IDs. And again, in this also number of stuff which is for free. But again, so current plan 50 credits, two email IDs are already viewed, and then verification hundreds, where I upload a LinkedIn profile and verify. Then phone numbers 5 of 5. I've not used everything because I keep it for proper use. Rather than this, I can just show you one or two examples.
so Shiv, what will be the percentage of false positives here? Because in the
Very
last,
less. As far as my experience, it was very less. Last maybe one result, that's the first time I've seen.
right, right, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So that's about this tool. And again, get prospect at the same time. Just try to explore. There are a lot of stuff which is giving it for free of cost. Absolutely. Like if you see, it is again kind of another sales tool, but it's more of giving you the official email IDs like Snovio and all everything. But official email IDs here 50, Snovio 50, SalesQL 50. There are other tools also we checked out that also 50. So decent enough. We have excellent data over there. So let's say again, I just go Mariam and then Funnel Scout. So here we have a sales navigator, regular search. Let me just get this get prospect first. Search. So let's see job title. as that, and it's giving me across location. Let's say India. It is giving me across India. So yeah, I at least have this many leads, two not two leads. They're still building. I think this data is actually not live. They would have scraped from all the various sites or from the LinkedIn and uploading the data. So that's reason it's showing only 200 as data across India, but they're still building it. So let's say, other than that, I'll say founder. So from India, they have around 25,000 founders. Now let me see company name founded year. I need a young startups. Somewhere in the year, someone who founded 2018, max 2023. So here, Smart Puja. Is that the number of people? 231 funded also. Nice. So I know which are the funded startups now, which got formed in these many year ranges, and then the founder and CEO of these companies. Maybe I can reach out to them, generate leads for the hiring. Anyone from the agency could be excellent data for you for absolutely free of cost, which is also showing with the 4-member team, they have already raised this much.
Hmm.
And it is pulling the data from backend also. Also showing the team size, zoom into
This is available with this Get Prospect, right?
get prospect on a free version. So this data is enough for me. It's a fantastic data for me.
So Shiv, what is the credits into this? Like how much? I mean, what is the limit to this while finding out all these?
Search is free.
Okay.
Search
I
is
just
free.
okay. I just need to know whether yours is the paid subscription or like how it is.
No, no, it's a free one. I don't use any paid subscription, Piyush.
Yeah.
Okay,
That's what
so
the
monthly
lectures
credits
are all
resets
about.
in 7 days. Every
Yeah.
7 days, it's resets.
Okay. Okay.
So every 7 days, I'm getting 50 email credits, 100 verification credits, 5 mobile number. What else I want?
Perfect. Yeah.
Yeah, 200 email credits, 400 profile verification credit, 20 mobile numbers. What else I want? I'm happy with it.
Insufficient. Yeah. Yeah. Good.
Sufficient for my business. It is sufficient.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so again, I just come to dashboard. I was just trying actually. So this week I consumed two. So just came here, founder, growth hiring, all these things. Okay, all contact, my contacts, all emails, valid emails. Import from LinkedIn, save from search, import a file. As I mentioned, this file I can now download and I can always come here and I can import a file. Once I import a file, I'll have a enriched data. Like we just created here, right? Let's see CSV file it's asking. Let's import our own list of data enrichment, existing list. Upload a CSV file with contact or company information to search for additional. Upload a CSV file with contact or company information to keep your data in your account. Upload a CSV file with numbers or emails or contacts you don't want to find in future searches. I don't want to find. CSV with the contacts or company information to keep your data in your account. You can enter the data later in time. Information to search. Let's take this one. Let's say next. List of potential customer next. Next. Upload. The data is not clean. But let me just see. It's not clean. I don't want to make it mess. Full name, email, choose a property, LinkedIn. For experience, I'll ignore experience. I'll go for this thing. Generator. Don't import data in unmatched columns. Okay. Experience I'll ignore. And then I'll say next. Save the list to type a list name or find okay, DTF in that will exist. Sync contact company data between your Get Prospect account over 200 apps using Zapier. Zapier, I'm yet to learn. Maybe from next week, I'll be starting the trainings for Zapier. That is an amazing tool. Copy of dummy data. Okay, 7 errors. Contact list of enrichment. Let's see. I'll go to dashboard, BDM.
If there was one thing I would like to add here, there was a tool
Give us
known as Zap Info. That was one of
Zap
the
info.
fantastic tools. But the moment it has been acquired by Indeed, all the capabilities has gone in vain. But earlier, it was a fantastic tool.
Got it. Hmm.
Yeah.
But yeah, so that's about the Get Prospect stuff. But otherwise, you have an amazing data available absolutely for free of cost.
Hmm.
Email lookup, you can enter the email, all those things. So what we did, we got a sheet GPT. We got the list of companies using sheet GPT. Then we use get profile, an additional tool under the sheet itself. Then we got the list of profiles. Again, we're taking these profiles, we're putting them into the CSV, though it is giving errors now. Even I'm a first time user for this, but just try to explore this platform, create a CSV and upload the data in this. And then you'll be able to see the entire data, whatever you have uploaded. And then you'll be able to track their email numbers or anything. But otherwise, the easiest way, what I would say, just go to their LinkedIn profile and which was SalesQL we frequently use. So let me just go to SalesQL. So 6 credits, I've already used it. SalesQL is one of the fantastic tool.
Hmm.
So where is SalesQL Chrome extension? So again, here Snowy, all those things are coming. SalesQL, even we used the paid version also. That's the fantastic one. I'm yet to renew it. But once the trainings are done, I'll be able to renew those. Just come here, my friend SalesQL. Okay. So get contact details, all the stuff, skip to. Yeah, reveal info and add if I need that email ID or anything like that. Revenue, let's say reveal info. Okay, so I will just come to my dashboard. So we just seen this one. So this is still out, but earlier one, Gmail, all those are verified. It shows with the verifications and all. So this month I used only 7 credit, but these are more than 7. Every 15 days it resets. So 100 credits per month is more than enough for me. But sometimes if I have a drive or anything like that, that time I just upgrade it and go little aggressive. So yeah, that about this tools, the small tools basically. So apart from that one tool, I wanted to cover one more tool today, which I shared in a group, that is not profile optimization,
So Final
job
Scout.
analytics. Huh?
Final Scout.
Final Scout, yes. So that is Final Scout. That's again something similar like Get Prospect or Sales QL or anything, but you have little more enhancement, little more enrichments. Okay, visit dashboard. Again, here we have 50 emails per month, and then you share it with your friends. You get some free credits also. And then let's say regular searches, LinkedIn company pages, group members, event attendees. This is something found to be interesting. Let's say I wanted a group member. I want to scrape a data of people sitting in that particular group. So this is just the click away. You just say go and this is taking me here. Let me just let's take export emails of the group member. So I'm not going aggressive. I'm not triggering any robo activity over there. Let me see any smaller group. Groups. And let me just directly go to the group. Export emails of groups, show all. So we are on the groups page. So I'm the admin, so it's showing me like this. But otherwise, as a member, I have a different view. Export emails of group member. I don't want to do that, but otherwise, there is an option that we can actually export emails of every group member, all the 42 emails we can actually do. Do you have a LinkedIn Sales Navigator account? If you have a LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you can use it to filter the group member and then scrape the final scout. If not, you can use final scout prospect to filter and scrape the group member. Okay, yes, go to no scrape with Google with final scout. Let's see what does it do. Got it. So here there are already 4 filters. This one I previously created, not this, but it is working. It is doing something. Let's see what it's doing. So anything which is not happening on LinkedIn is safe. Anything which is happening on LinkedIn is kind of unsafe. You have to really pause it. So what all filters? Company size. Okay, I just remove this filter. Come back here again. Here I've seen that Sourcing Express was showing somewhere. Hmm. Let me try once again. Now here it came. LinkedIn groups and rest of the filters are also clear. Only one filter, that is LinkedIn groups. It has taken a group link and kept it here. Sangeeta, for you, has it got enabled?
No, Shiv.
LinkedIn Prospect Finder?
No,
Just try after some time.
it's only showing help, one option only.
Refresh and try after some time.
Sure, I'll do that.
Maybe your group is too small. Group member. Let's see. Ooh, okay. I think group has to be a little bigger. This came within clicks. So I'm not going to use any credits, but yeah, all these group members has come here, 340K contacts. Get email. I can always get their email IDs. So filter by just India Leadership Group. And all are like some of the founders or co-founders or directors of the companies. So let's say I got this group. I'll say now employer size, which is basically a feature of company size. I'll just say I need a small companies. Upgrade your plan, you have exhausted all your prospect credit. Every time you conduct a search or a flip through a page prospect, it will cost you one prospect credit. However, you search on LinkedIn.com and use it to locate email address. You won't be needing any prospect credit. View my account usage. Let's see. Let's see this also. Email account usage. Rollover 1100 email credits. I don't know. I'll just wait for the refresher whenever it happens. Otherwise, I'll use it on the account. Every time email writes, right, I have written some emails, profile credits, prospect credits. But yeah, just keep it on a free version and give it a searches. Find single search, bulk scrape, emails, single scrape, bulk emails, single search. Prospects. Maybe this is something cool for me, but it is asking me to upgrade now. I'll use the other account. But yeah, explore. You have limited, uh, what we say, um, limited usage in this, but don't go too aggressive like we went just now. For one group, we have searched it and everything got exhausted just in one search. Rather, I would not never do now a group searches. Rather, I'll just go here, use these filters, job levels, company size, and then all those things, and then the location. So once I get the list of my targeted audience, I'll open them in a LinkedIn. I'll use a sales query. From there, I'll start reaching out. Rather, I'll keep all the inventories on a final count for as much as free. I'm not going to use it all the inventories like this. Like if you just see, like we have seen all those 35,000, immediately it got exhausted. Maybe for every single count, every single search, every single result, it's taking the count. So that's the reason it got completely exhausted. So I might have to create another account with a new ID. So that is something pretty much doable. That should not be a problem. All right. So regular searches, LinkedIn company pages, group members, event attendees. Does that make sense? In fact, these are the filters which are actually available on LinkedIn Recruiter or LinkedIn Sales Navigator. On a free version of LinkedIn, you don't have the company size, you don't have groups, you don't have all these things. If you want to go with this company size and the groups or job level or the title we have it, but we don't really have a job level. Job level, company size, all these are LinkedIn what we say sales navigator filters. But here you're getting absolutely for free of cost. And that is completely live data. It's not like they have some data or anything. They have access to the LinkedIn APIs. What we are seeing here is completely live data. Does that make sense?
Yeah, sure.
Then
Yeah,
email
sure.
AI also, I
Very
used
much.
one, but I got exhausted now. View contact. Then here they had an option to write a email AIs. I just went to the candidate profile, viewed the candidate profile, and then I said, okay, fine, request a job introduction call. Otherwise, they have number of templates. You can use those templates, but don't go so aggressively. Like email AI over here, add one or two candidates to the list. Then if you don't know how to create a job templates, you can always click this one, write a personalized template. Just click over here and then you'll be able to write a personalized templates. And you have various templates. If you want to create one by yourself right from the basic, you can create those also. But one group we have used it, that was exhaustive data, 350K. That's using 1100 credits in 1 second gone. Okay, but use this. I have explored it quite some time back, and again today I revisited it. But I would say really good tool. Regular searches, LinkedIn company pages, group member, or event attendees. Don't use to scrape. For scraping, SalesQL is the best one. This is for additional details, mainly the prospect and email AIs. Rest other things is not really required. So that's about a final scout and a get prospect. Similarly, as I mentioned, you have a number of such kind of tools, but it's just that we have to explore those tools. What is that tool is doing? Like today, one more tool I've explored, which was that I'll just show you that. Not this final scout. It was this one. Okay. For this LinkedIn post. So we have reply and we have writing for the LinkedIn post, right? So today I use this one. If I just go to this one post, absolutely so and so. So what it did, it read the post and then it has created a replay for it. Okay. So let's see again, engage hyphen AI. So we'll just come to home.
You for that you told a reply. One more.
Reply as well writing. There are
Okay.
two tools. This is a third one. Use 20 there, 20 here,
Okay.
20 there.
Got
Already you
it.
have a 50, 60.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Let's say comment. So here friendly, funny, disagree, custom, congratulate, question. Okay, let's say
This is which tool name?
engage.ai. Engage AI.
Engage.
Again, I got something here and say custom, congratulate. So hashtag friendly, funny, create a voice, professional. Not have to create a 25 or 20 words. So friendly, funny, design custom question. This is brilliant, not allowed. So this is that AI tool only. Okay, let's take this one. So it's reading the post. So anything. So if I have to use, so limits, I don't know how many credits I have per month, but let me just check. Unlimited leads, monthly. They're pretty expensive. I don't know why so much cost they are charging. Just because this is something new. Okay, clients and billing, let's see. Okay, free forever, zero. Get a tool suite to increase your visibility and opportunities on LinkedIn. Include one hashtag analytics to engage AI, 3 post submissions a day after 3 days of unlimited usage. That is fine. 3 post submissions per day after 3 days of, and let's see. Today only I downloaded and let's see how does it goes. I'll keep you posted. So yeah, those are the few small tools that I just wanted to cover. But yeah, once we get hold of these few small tools, there are two big tools waiting for you. That I'll cover in depth, in detail, the step-by-step process I'll show you. But to understand those in-depth step-by-step process of those two tools, you have to explore these two tools today, whatever we covered. Final Scout and that old one, what we say, Get Prospect. And
If
then
I
what
just,
we covered, which
yeah,
is SheetGPT. Huh?
I just went to one profile and I generated the comment, and the
Hmm.
comment below is ditto same. Somebody else has put the comment and that is ditto same.
Maybe they're also using it then.
If you want, I can show the screen.
Maybe they're
Absolutely
also
same.
using, you never know. People don't want to share it. Maybe they're also using it. But otherwise, reply and the other one is also really good one. So engage AI, goal of the day, visibility builder, next value contributor, one of 220, conversation catalyst. I don't know what exactly is this, but it is giving me so much of stuff on my LinkedIn. Yeah. So all these small tools, whatever we covered as small tools, go through the recording and experiment it once, twice, thrice in this week, because next week there are two big tools that are really complex to understand. If we understand these easy tools, then those complex tools will be much easier to understand. And that I'll take step by step. All right, team. Don't think that I've taken this uh, small tools not in depth. There's a purpose behind it that I wanted you to explore. But because the other two tools, okay, one is that Jobin and then other is Linked Radar. Okay, those two tools are really confusing. That we have to guide it and we have to step by step go on that thing. If you're good at these two basic ones, whatever we covered today, then you would be good at those two, the advanced one. One is Jobin and the other is LinkedIn Helper. All right. How
Yeah.
many of us use Jobin already? Neti, you were asking about Jobin or something, right? Earlier ones.
Yeah, I heard about this tool, but I have no idea what it does.
You have no idea, right? But you have used it. But you asked me, I think, once. The screen looks like Jobin or something.
Pure White I have used. That is another ATS.
Got it. So Jobin is again is a free ATS, but you can do a lot of stuff in Jobin. Other than using it just like an ATS, you can use it as a LinkedIn automation tool also. And that's amazing tool. But again, if these basics tools, if we have a thorough understanding of these two, three basics tools, then that tools will be really easy for us to understand. Okay, team?
Yeah, sure.
So how these tools are working is most important, just to understand how these tools are working. Because these are just the basics ones. Very basic ones. Comparable to the other tools which we are going to cover. But if you're good at these two, three tools, what we covered today, then you'll be excellent at the other tools. Fine, team?
Yeah. So Shiv,
Yes, sure.
next session,
Hmm.
how many sessions it will include? Like, I mean, next weekend we are meeting, right? Saturday.
Next weekend, Saturday, we'll meet morning 3 hours, evening 3 hours. We'll be done.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Yeah.
Next
Evening 3 hours.
Saturday is a long weekend
Festival.
shift.
Yeah.
I
Then
will
maybe we'll
not
do
be
it
Yeah.
in
available.
any day, weekday, evening time.
Shiv,
Let's
please.
do it for Tuesday
I'm
then.
going to miss it.
Can we do
No,
that
we can
on
Dasara on
25th?
Tuesday.
Saturday is fine for me.
Actually, for me, I have a hackathon 16th, 17th, and 19th. I'm traveling. I will be available after.
You're looking at
It is
November.
21st and 22nd.
No, you're looking at November. Go back to October. No?
Okay. So
Shiv,
when is
actually,
Saturday?
20th to 24th is a long weekend.
Yeah. We can
From
do it
when to
on
when?
25th.
25th is fine, yeah.
Why is
From
that so?
I'm going to miss it.
20 to
Yeah.
24th is a long weekend. It's the Dasara holidays for everybody. 25th we can do if it's all okay with that.
Dasara is when 19th.
No,
No,
your
no.
calendar is showing wrong,
Your
Shiv.
candidate is wrong, Shiv. Yeah. Your candidate.
September. October.
Okay, October.
October.
Yeah.
October,
Okay.
yes.
When is the Dasara? 17th,
24th. 24th.
24th.
23rd, 24th.
24th. Then we can do it on Saturday, not 21st. Or Friday
I'm
night.
traveling.
20th is also a holiday north of India. Shiv.
Then let's do it tomorrow itself. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Just join
Yes.
tomorrow and day after tomorrow.
Yeah,
Evening
that is
time.
fine. Yeah.
All right. This is good,
Yeah.
Shiv.
Shiv, I'm going to miss it, Shiv. I'll not
Recordings
be
you'll have
there
it.
in the evenings.
Even I will miss it. I have a hackathon in office.
You'll get recordings. You can just go through the recordings.
No, Shiv.
So maybe tomorrow and day after tomorrow we can close it off in that case.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure.
Monday.
Yeah.
And if required, maybe Wednesday, one more session we can do it. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, evening, 2 to 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours. Yeah, because
Okay.
otherwise, if this weekend goes, then again it goes for a 2 weeks of break already.
Yeah. This will be delayed. Yeah, correct.
So that will be delayed a lot. Already, like we have completed 2 months. Sorry, what 2 months? 3 months close to. July last week we started. August, September, October. And if we move this weekend, then it will go for October. 3.5 months it will go. Okay, so let's do it within today, tomorrow, and Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. All right, team.
All
You got
right.
the
Okay, Shiv.
recordings. You can
All
go
right.
through the recordings.
Thank you.
All right, then. Thank you. Bye.
Thank
Thank
But
you.
yeah,
you.
as I mentioned, just have a brush up by yourself on these tools because once these tools are clear, then you'll be able to dive deep onto the rest of the tool. Maybe you can skip the tomorrow's class, but Tuesday and Wednesday you can join.
We will join it, sir. Shiv. Yeah. Thank you.
Tomorrow one class you can skip it. Tuesday and Wednesday you can join.
So you are holding your sessions on Tuesday and Wednesday, not Monday then.
Tomorrow I'm doing it, but we already covered that topics.
Okay.
For the weekend batch, yesterday we already covered those topics. Those topics I need to cover once again in the weekday batch.
Okay. Weekday batch. Okay. Got it.
Uh,
Got it.
So I'll cover those topics by tomorrow in a weekday batch, and then we'll be able to come up to this speed by Tuesday and Wednesday.
All right. Thank you. We'll be
Yeah.
there.
Thanks, Shiv.
And
Yeah.
also we'll do one on a
What?
Saturday, that is on a 21st. Whoever is not available on Monday and Tuesday, please feel free to join on a 21st. Though it's a long weekend, but whoever is available, please join, and I'll share a recording.
What time it will be, Shiv? Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday?
So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it will be evening, 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock. If not, then Saturday, next Saturday, morning 10 to 1, and then evening 7 to 10.
Okay. I'll join
Either
on
you feel free to,
Saturday, Shiv.
huh?
I'll join on Saturday.
Yeah, either feel free to join on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or on a Saturday.
Saturday will be fine for me.
Yeah, all right. Thank you. Bye.
All right. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks, Shiv. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.